Good morning. You will have to excuse my look and my voice, but I promise to bring you along for my homesteading endeavors this year. And I wanted to tell you about choosing a chicken to use as hatching chickens. So here are my beauties. They're hungry and they're waiting for mama. I think I've chosen what kinds I want. He's like, where's the food? I want the food. I think I've chosen which ones I want. I have a barred rock rooster, and I have 1, 2, 3 barred rock hens. So that is definitely something that I want to do. Hi, lady. That's definitely something that I want to do. But I also really want to breed the Buff Orpington that I have. I really like her. And they can be broody hens, which is great if you're wanting to hatch. Granted, I can get an incubator, but I just think it would be cool to have her do it herself. So what I think I'm going to do is maybe, yes, I hear you, is maybe sell my other hens, get a couple more buffs, and then get a buff rooster to go with it. But I don't know if you can see that that's entirely caged in, which is why one of my goals is to get another coop set up. Besides, look, there's still snow on the ground, and it was 50 degrees yesterday. But when I got the chickens, I had kind of sprung it on my dad. The coop was done, but the run wasn't enclosed all the way. It was enclosed with one set of wire, but it was wide wire that wouldn't have kept anything out. And so in a panic, since I brought home brought over 10 chickens and 1 rooster to my grandparents' property, he wrapped everything in chicken wire, which is great because we have predators here, coyotes, raccoons, foxes, pretty much you name it, and it's on this property. Well, in the panic of doing all that, he forgot to get me a way to let them in and out because I wanted to free range. So as of right now, they have to stay in the run, which is fine because the coop was set up for 6 hens, and so he added on coop 2.0 to make it big enough for all the hens and the rooster, but I still want to be able to free range. So there needs to be a door for me to let them in and out. So that's in the works. But since I don't know where I'm going to be, we haven't really set it up yet, which is fine, because they aren't, with it being cold, they aren't really going out of the coop anyway. So I'm not real worried about it at the moment. Trying to get some feed. Anywho, so that is what I'm thinking. Now, for anyone that watches that has chickens and they hatch their own, tell me which breed is your favorite to hatch, because while I think I've made up my mind about doing Barred Rock and Buff Orpingtons, I'm up for other options. So let me know. Hope you enjoyed this quick little chicken chat, and I will see you guys next time for another video. Thanks for watching.